Hello everyone, and my name is Ankit and today we're going to understand triangle. So in triangle, what is triangle? Is properties and congruence of triangle. So in today we're going to understand triangle. So what is triangle? So triangle is a closed, it's closed figure. It is having three sides. It is having three sides. It is having three vertices. It is having three internal angles. And suppose this is a triangle A, B, C. There's three vertices, three sides, there's three internal angles. And one more concept. When one of the side is externally produced, the angle made by it is equals to the sum of two internally opposite angles. So basically, the external angle equals to sum of two internally opposite angles. Sum of two internal opposite angle. So suppose if this is phi, then this phi is equals to angle A plus angle B. Now put this under the box. Okay. So this external angle is equals to sum of two internal angles. These are opposite internal angles. So this was what is triangle and what are now how many side it has. It is open figure or closed figure. What is an external angle in a triangle? Okay. Now the next thing in a triangle is classification. It is classification. Classification. Classification can be done on two ways. One on the basis of size, and other on the basis of X. So first, understanding the classification based on the side is number one. That is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So in a triangle, there are three sides A, B, C. So there are three sides, and these three sides are equal to each other. Means AB equals to AC equals to BC. Then such a triangle is known as equilateral triangle. So a triangle in which all three sides are equal is known as equilateral triangle. Then comes the second type of triangle. Then comes second type of triangle. That is one is equilateral triangle, other is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. In which if the two sides are equal, in which two sides are equal, but the third side is not equal to the two sides. That will suppose AB is equals to AC, but they are not equals to BC. Then such a triangle is known as isosceles triangle. Next is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. In triangles in which all the three sides are different, all the three sides are different. Okay. Such a triangle in which AB is not equals to BC and that is not equals to CA, then such a triangle is known as scalene triangle. This classification was based on the side. The other classification is on the basis of angle. The basis of angle, the first is acute angle. Acute angle triangle. Okay. In acute angle triangle, the angles are acute. That means they are less than 90 degree. Okay. So if these angles are less than 90 degree, then such a triangle is known as the acute angle triangle. An example of acute angle triangle can be said to be an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle example of equilateral triangle. Because in equilateral triangles, each angle's value is 60 degree. Next, second one is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle. In obtuse angle triangle, in obtuse angle triangle, one of the angle, one of the angle would be greater than one of the angle, one of the angle be greater than 90 degree. And such a triangle is known as the obtuse angle triangle. Now, the third classification is the right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, here we see the right angle triangle. One of the angle is 90 degree. One of the angle is 90 degree. In such an angle, triangle is known as right angle triangle. One of the angle is 90 degree. In such a triangle is the right triangle. So the triangle is known as the right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, how to identify the side which is hypotenuse? Just an explanation of the notes you can write here. And in the right angle triangle, always side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse of right angle triangle. Let me show you. Right angle triangle. So in the right angle triangle, right angle triangle side opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. Next is congruency. Congruent triangles. Congruent triangles, there are two triangles. A, B, C. B, E, F. So basically, congruent triangle, it's similar triangle. It's a similar triangle. Means it can be superimposed, can be superimposed, can be superimposed. It can be superimposed. Such a triangle, from a triangle. So two triangles are congruent triangles. So two triangles are congruent triangles if their corresponding side is equal and their corresponding angles are also equal. For example, AB in this figure, if AB is to FD, AC equals to ED, and BC equals to FE, such triangles are known as to be congruent triangles on the basis of the side-side-side classification. So basically, there are two triangles. They can be fit on each other. They can be fit on each other. In most movie, we see that a person is there, and then there comes a soul, and it comes and it enters its body. It can enter only when it is perfectly fitting. Its hands are fitting with its right hand fitting with the right hand, left hand fitting with the left hand, mouth fitting with the mouth, legs fitting with the right hand legs along with it. So if similar thing exists in a triangle, so basically the congruent triangles, there are two triangles which are exactly same, but they are arranged in a different way. They are different, their directions is different, and because of this, they look are different. Okay, so this is what the triangles. So comprehensive triangle in different triangles, and their relative sides, and the corresponding sides are equal, as well as their corresponding angles. If the corresponding angles, as well as their corresponding angles are equal, then such triangles are said to be congruent triangles. So in the congruent triangle, when its sides are equal, corresponding angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal. Sides are equal, corresponding angles are equal. For example, the triangle ABC, then there is triangle. This BC equals to EF, and this is equals to this, and this side equals to this side. Then this triangle can be said to be congruent triangles on the basis of SS side. Then if corresponding angles are also equal, then also the triangles can be said to be. Now, how to identify the corresponding angle? So suppose AB equals to FD. So these are corresponding sides. So angles opposite to them, opposite to the AB and opposite to FD will also be equal. And they are corresponding. So angle opposite to AB is angle C. And angle opposite to FD is angle F. So the angle C is to angle F. This is how we find the corresponding angle. So in corresponding angle, basically angles equal opposite to the corresponding sides. In similarly, corresponding sides are those sides which are opposite to the corresponding angles. So this is the basic understanding. Today I'm not much dwell into this topic. Now it will be a tomorrow's lecture hours. Today we now understand this basic whatever listing the criteria. First it's side criteria. Just we saw the before, and next it's side angle side, where this angle is basically included angle. That means this angle is between these two sides. Okay. Thirdly, angle side or inner side angle. Okay. And then the right RHS, right angle, right angle, hypotenuse, or side angle. On such, on the basis of such classification, triangles are said to be congruent triangles. Okay. So today we'll learn the lecture here on, and tomorrow we'll meet again. Continue this lecture.